Today we'll talk about how can you disable customers activity notifications on your Temu app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on your down here. When you click here on your, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, you come here to customer activity, click on edit here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You come to customers activity, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main customers activity notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.